What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on the Transit. We're going to be changing the cabin filter and engine filter, so stay tuned. Alright, so I ended up buying the filter, the cabin filter, and then the engine filter. There's the code for the engine filter. The cabin doesn't really have one, but I bought it at Advance Auto. It was on sale. It's cheaper than going to the dealer, having the dealer fix it for you. So basically on this side is where the cabin filter goes, and the engine is on this side. So we're gonna tear apart this part first, and then we'll jump up to the cabin filter and show you how to do it. All right, the engine filter looks pretty easy. There's metal clips on two on this side. You gotta squeeze your hand in there. One on this side. This one's our one. And it pops up. We might have to remove this clamp. So give me a second. So take out the clamp here. Take out a little bit. Perfect. And it pops up. Just be careful with the mass airflow sensor that's here. This is the old filter. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, that was dirty. Look at that. There's a piece of bag in there and everything. So then we get the new one. Look at the difference. So we get the new one, we put it in. And you do it backwards. It has little clips on this side that you slide in. Put in the holes. Put on the clips. And don't forget to screw in the clamp again. There it is. Okay, so basically clip, clip, clip. It has these little clips here that you twist like that. You remove the hose clamp, loosen it up, squeeze this out, flip it over, just how you saw me do it. So now let's just look at this though. Look how dirty it was. I had even a piece of bag in there. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the cabin filter. Okay, for the cabin filter, there's a bunch of screws. One here, one here, one here, one over there, one here, and right here. So it's 6 in total. It's a Phillips head, so you just take those out. 4. 3. 4. That one's gonna be a tough one. All right, so once you do that, we're gonna have to take off the plastic. Okay. So it's held on by 2 clips. So on this side and this side, along with the 6 bolts. Okay, so right here there is, to be able to take out that filter, there's this metal piece here, and it's 2 Torx screws. So it's I believe a 20. So I'm using a 27. Yep, a 27, which it's weird. T27, yeah. I'll check it out. Very easy. It's barely held on, and we take off that metal piece, and then there's a filter there, filter cage. Huh, that's weird. There's no filter. Very weird. Oh, that's very weird. There's no filter in there. There's no filter. Weird. So technically there's supposed to be a filter right here, and that little mesh tray goes on top. There's no filter. Wow. So I'm gonna clean up the best I can here and put the new filter on, and it slides right in, and then you just put the mesh over it. I'll be back. All right, so I cleaned it up a bit, and I'm just shocked that this doesn't have a filter. I did buy this car used, so it's a shock. I mean, it's not a shock, but you would think it'll have a filter. So I'm gonna place you guys now, and then I'm gonna place the filter and show you how we do the mesh. And it's everything backwards now from how we did it. All right, so basically you put the filter in the mesh, you slide the mesh in, you should hear some clips. There you go. That's on. So now you put the metal beam. This is what holds the other one in place. So slide it in like this. And it has the 2 Torx screws. So go here. And the other one over here. And that's it for the Torx screws. And then you put the other plastic that goes over. So this was the tricky part before. Remember, it has 2 clips and you have to clip on. On, and then you put the 6 screws back in. Pretty simple. The 6 wide screws in the bottom. Oh, almost lost that one. And the bigger screws, smaller screws. Wait. And then the last one goes there. Alright, so a little recap. 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 2 clips. 1, 2. You have to yank it out. You might have to move the wipers like I did. This piece comes out. There's another metal piece on the bottom that uses a T27 Torx screws. There's 2 of them, 1 and 2. After you take that piece out, there's gonna be a mesh and there should be a filter there. You replace the filter, put it back in, and do everything in reverse. Putting this on, be careful because it does have the clips. So you just wanna push it in and it should go in just right. So that's pretty much how you do the both filters. All right, guys, so we got a little surprise today with no filter and the cabin filter, but that's the reason why I do the maintenance on the cars, because you never know. I just want to thank all you guys for all the support. We're about to hit 600 subscribers and I'm very proud of that, and I want to thank you guys because it's only made possible because of you. Please guys, support the channel by subscribing. Follow our Instagram and Facebook for any more updates on other projects that I have that's not maintenance, that's the VIP projects and whatnot. And Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.